You know, if you have made every step along the way of this video just in your city, I imagine your city looks pretty spectacular. Just taking your time doing one thing at a time. If you are watching this, this is the last mini demonstration that I'll be doing for this unit, and what we're going to be covering in this is canopy overhangs in front of building entrances and doing one revolving door. So those type of things are pretty fun. It's a little bit more challenging. Instead of just taking all these doors that lined up to the vanishing point, we said they're all the same height. Now we're going to be tweaking one or two of them so that it has something that just pops out and is a little different. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just kind of mess around with probably the doors for buildings 1, 3, and 4, since those are the clearest and there's nothing in the way for us to be able to knock those out. So I'm going to start off with building number 4, and I'm going to make a canopy entrance that is going to be triangular. Alright, so to do this, first just draw a line that goes directly above the door. Alright, now after doing that, I want this does not have to start off the shape of your canopy. It does not have to go to a vanishing point. So if you wanted this to be arched, that arch does not have to go to a vanishing point. I'm going to make this one have a triangle pointing out. Okay, so it's just dipping down. Well, the base of that, I'm going to line up to the vanishing point so that the underneath of that angled line matches up. Okay, so now it kind of looks like a flag. Alright, so now my flag, I'm going to line up to the opposite vanishing point, drawing a line at the top and bottom of that flag. Okay, so that's showing the depth. And whenever you want to stop, which what I would suggest doing, go directly above the door on the flip side, make a mark. That little mark that I just did, I'm going to now parallel and copy whatever I did. So if I made this arched, if I made it rounded off, whatever, you're just going to copy it. So this part does not go to a vanishing point either. Okay, and then that guy is done, and then you have your overhang. Now I'm going to do a couple other things to this guy besides erase half of it, because I have to erase all the garbage lines. So this one restaurant that I went to as a kid, Italian restaurant, it kind of had like a, I don't know if you guys know what a doily is, but it has this fringe on it, and I'm just going to make this little half circle deal, just bouncing right along the edge. It's just supposed to make it a little bit more relaxing look to the entrance. Maybe you're going to look at it and go, what the heck is that? That's fine. It's just, for me, it's just, you know, bringing back memories like, oh my gosh, I love that. So if there's some certain buildings, little extra details, then throw those type of things in. Alright, so now sliding on over to building 3, I'm going to end up doing a revolving door. So for doing the revolving door, we have to first get the depth of it. So I'm going to, this one's sticking out of the building a little bit. If you want it hidden inside the building, it's a little bit more work. So I'm going to do it the easier way. So line up to the vanishing point. Make a light line from both the top corners. Alright, so we kind of are going to start off with making a rectangle. So now I'm going to line up to the opposite vanishing point and enclose it. Okay, so I have that rectangle deal. Now the reason why we're doing that is we're making a half circle. So find halfway in between and make a dot. I don't know if you can see that dot, but now I'm going to go from each corner of my door, the original door, and I'm going to curve to that. So that one has a strong curve, this one practically no curve at all. So that's why we first have to start off by making that light line sticking out, looking like a rectangle. Otherwise, if we freehand it, we're not going to make an angled section like that. Alright, so now to make the base, I'm going to line up my pencil to the left vanishing point, start at the left part of this door, and I'm going to slide out. After doing that, now I'm going to come straight down. And the base, I'm going to curve just a little bit. Alright, so now I'm going to erase my chicken scratch. It's cutting through it. Alright, so this, and the revolving door is going to, I'm going to make it glass so you can see through. So actually that line cutting through, it's okay. Alright, so far you're like, if you've gotten this far, you're going to be good to go. Alright, so halfway in between this line, I'm going to make a little dot. That dot is going to be our divider. So I am going to draw straight down and stop once I hit the building. Now I need to split this into 3 prongs. Okay? So two to 3 at least. So I'm going to make a door sticking out right here. And to do that, I'm going to go to my left vanishing point. I'm going to line up to that line, and I'm going to draw coming straight out at the top and at the bottom. If you do that, then you have a door that is inside of that. And now I'm going to line up to my right vanishing point, and I'm going to draw a line straight out from the top and bottom where it touches the other one. Now, given you don't have to be as cray-cray and have it all match up, it's a you thing. And on the back side, I just drew another line coming straight back. So that is a revolving door. Okay? Fantastic. There's different ways to doing all these too. I imagine you could probably find some pictures to draw from observation online, or maybe there's other videos on how to draw canopies and overhangs and doors. But hopefully these have been helpful for you, and I'm excited to see all the submissions.